In many parts of Southeast Asia, Bubur Asyura is a special porridge made to celebrate togetherness during Muharram, often cooked in large pots by the whole community. Today, I'll guide you step by step to make this meaningful dish right at home. First, wash the mung beans and soybeans thoroughly and soak them for about an hour to help soften them and reduce cooking time. While waiting, peel the sweet potatoes, cut them into bite-sized cubes and soak them in water to prevent browning. Next, make the palm sugar syrup by boiling palm sugar with 1 cup of water and pandan leaves, which add a beautiful, fragrant aroma that brings out the traditional flavor of Bubur Asyura. Stir until the syrup is smooth. Cook the soaked mung beans and soybeans separately in 1.2 liters of water, each with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Boiling until they are soft, but still hold their shape to keep the porridge textured. Similarly, boil the sweet potatoes in 1 liter of water with 1/4 teaspoon of salt until they are soft but not mushy, so they can hold their shape later. Meanwhile, wash the sago thoroughly and let it drain. Rinse the canned red beans to remove the canning liquid and let them sit to dry as well. Now, in a large pot, combine the sago, 1 liter of water, mung beans and soybeans. Once it comes to a light boil, pour in the palm sugar syrup and mix well. Add evaporated milk, which makes the porridge creamy and rich without making it too heavy. Add pandan leaves and another 1/2 liter of water, adding the water gradually to control the thickness and keep the texture smooth. Then add the red beans, sweet corn, another 1/2 liter of water, and stir in condensed milk and salt. The condensed milk sweetens the porridge and adds a creamy finish with a hint of caramel that complements the dish. Add the sweet potatoes now to prevent them from breaking apart too early. We want them to stay whole for the best texture. Pour in pure coconut milk for rich creaminess. When it starts to lightly boil, add the sliced bananas. We add them last because they cook quickly and we want them to stay sweet and tender without becoming mushy. Cook until everything comes to a gentle, full boil. And our Bubur Asyura is ready. It's beautifully creamy, fragrant, and full of delicious textures and flavors.